with limited exposure to international organization, because I have done consulting in Iran, Muscat, Dubai, US, Malaysia. With limited exposure that I had, I don't see those organizations distinctly different from the Indian organization. Okay? I mean, beside the language, currency, etc., etc., I think in terms of thinking process, they are by and large similar. See, all these certification processes that people work in the organization, you have rightly put it, that many times it is because customer has asked for it and things like that. But they are trigger. They are trigger. For example, I mean, if I have to go back to the ecosystem, the Darwin's theory of evolution makes it very clear that there is something in the ecosystem always triggers you to change. Now, it depends on the species that how good the change that has happened. For example, if I have to give, it could be a very crude example, but if you look at the cockroach, it has survived several thrashes of the ecosystem damages, okay? But dinosaurs could not. So I don't think it is the size, I don't think it is the attitude, I don't think it's a geography that matters, but it's one's ability to change and react to the triggers that is happening. But then, again, when I am reacting to the trigger, is the reaction recursive or combinatorial? Am I building even there is one theory on human line, which I was reading it in one of the magazine, I don't recollect whether it was Geo or Scientific American, one of the magazine I was reading. The human chain, if you go up, amongst the forefather, there was one trail which were 100% vegetarian only. Okay, 100% vegetarian. They used to live only on leaf and things like that. So there is a theory which says that trail has vanished over a period of time, because the human trail which started eating non-veg, they started competing with them, and possibly they would have eaten them also. Is one of the theory that is coming up. The point that I was trying to explain is, I think change can happen because customer wants, change can happen because a country regulation wants, all those things are fine. But culture cannot happen because of that. And that is where the sustenance becomes. So if I have done it only as a reaction to a customer's order, I will probably get an entry, get my business. Sustenance? And customers are becoming smarter today. They are just not looking at giving you order. They are looking at long-term relationships, sustenance, and so on and so forth. So I think that's where the culture plays a role.